Dumela, welcome back to Setswana class. Tsatsi jeno, re tsile go ithuta ditlhaka, or you can say dithaka. But it's more formal when you say ditlhaka with the L right there. Ditlhaka is alphabets. Okay, so yes. Um, we are not going to learn all alphabet letters here. Also, I apologize. This is my kid's little playboard, so I just figured, oh, that could work for a Setswana lesson. Hopefully it does. So Takayan Take ah ah. That's how it sounds in Setswana. Ah. I'm trying to think if it says A at all. It doesn't say A like how it does in English. It goes ah, and then we have bu. Today we are going to focus on um saying this alphabets correctly because if you are listening to Americans when they want to say Botswana, like this is boo, boo, because in English it says b. This letter in Setswana is b, b, not b. Um, so example of these two letters, I'm going to use them in a Setswana. Um, let's see. We're gonna start with the letter A. I'm not like a formal teacher, so this is why my writing is all over the place. Let's focus on A, the alphabet A. A. It does says A in here. So it's A na A. So it's A n A. So that's how it sounds in Setswana. So that hopefully that's clear enough. Yeah, teaching is a really what do you call it? It's a talent. It's also like a profession. So I take it seriously. So I'm not a professional teacher, so I pay all the respect to teachers out there. So the alphabet B. So often when you're watching a lot of Americans, because I say that because I stay in America and my wife is American, it is really hard for her to say Botswana, Botswana, because in English this letter goes like B. So often when Americans say Botswana, they sound like they are replacing this letter with an A. Sounds like they're saying Botswana. This is not wrong, but it doesn't mean the country, it means the people. Botswana is the people, is not the country. But when to sound properly, when you are saying Botswana, the country, you have to focus on this letter. Bo. That's the alphabet sounds in Setswana. It sounds like bo, or it says bo on its own. So that's where you get Botswana. Botswana. Just let it fall like bo. Botswana. If you are looking at this letter and you are gonna say it in English or in the it's or how you would say it in English, it's going to sound wrong because it's going to sound like you are saying Botswana. So it's Botswana, Botswana, not not Botswana, Botswana. Yeah. For teachers out there, I'm not a professional teacher and I'm not claiming to be one. I am, however, a Motswana. So that's why I'm teaching Setswana here. So don't come after me saying, "Wow, look at this fake teacher." I'm not a teacher. Um, Maybe we can move on to the because we learned how this alphabet sounds in Setswana. Look at me already gaining experience. And then, mind you, in Setswana we don't have C, so Setswana, there's no letter C in Setswana. It's A, B, and then we have D. A, B, D, D. So with this one, this is the last one, obviously, that we're going to learn today. So let me know if you want to learn more in the comment section. But D is how it sounds. D. Earlier, the beginning of this, I said we are going to learn. Oh, my K is struggling. We are going to learn D. Kaka. D. Kaka. Now it has I there, so it goes a little bit higher like D, but it's a D. 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 Kaka. Okay, I think that's it for this lesson. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nakong e tlang. Go siame. Salang sentle. Until we meet again next time. Thank you and goodbye. Also, if you're here for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. And if you are really wanting to learn Setswana and like speak immediately, watch more other videos that I've shared here. I think they have been helpful to so many other people, so you'll find them helpful. Thank you.